This is a question of CSIR-NET, and this question based on a concept of Frobenius inequality. According to this inequality, if A comma B matrix belongs to space of n cross n matrix whose entries from R, then rank of A plus rank of B less than equals to rank of AB plus n. Now using this result, we can solve this question easily. In question, we have given that M be a n cross n matrix whose entries from R and such that M not equals to 0 matrix and M power 2 equals to 0 matrix. Now using Frobenius inequality, let A equals to B equals to M. This implies that rank of M plus rank of M less than equals to rank of M power 2 plus n. This implies that 2 time of rank of M less than equals to, as we know that rank of 0 matrix is 0, so 0 plus n. This implies that rank of matrix M less than equals to n upon 2. Say this 2. Now as we know that rank of any matrix M belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on this set. So from 2 we have a rank of matrix M less than equals to greatest positive integer of n upon 2, because this give only integers values. So this inequality is important. Now if n is even, this implies that from 3 a rank of M less than equals to n upon 2. And if n is odd, this implies that from 3 a rank of M less than n upon 2. Say these two equation star. Now using a rank nullity theorem, we have a rank of matrix M plus nullity of matrix M equals to number of column in a matrix M, which is equals to M because we have n cross n matrix. Now this implies that rank of matrix M equals to n minus column of M. Now using star equation, if n is even, this implies that n minus nullity of M less than equals to n upon 2. This implies that nullity of M greater than equals to n upon 2. Note this inequality. And if n is odd value, this implies that n minus nullity of M less than n upon 2. This implies that nullity of M greater than n by 2. Note this inequality and say this to inequality star 2. And notice this point. say 1, say n, and this is n upon 2. If n is even, this implies that rank of m less than n upon 2, and nullity of m greater than n upon 2. This implies that for this line segment 1 to n, n upon 2, this is n upon 2, this is a portion of nullity of m, and this is a portion of rank of m. So from the given options, from this explanation, option A incorrect and option B correct. And if n is odd, this implies that rank of m less than n upon 2, and nullity of m greater than n upon 2. This implies that for this segment 1 n upon 2, this is a portion of nullity of m, and this is a portion of rank of m. This implies that option C correct and option D incorrect. That is, this implies that B and C options are